Unlock a flood of qualified leads and supercharge your sales pipeline using the power of AshleyHowTo. First, let's tap into AshleyHowTo's massive database. Navigate to the People or Company Search tab here. You can define your ideal customer profile with incredibly granular filters. Think industry, company size, job title, location, specific technologies they use, or even their funding stage. The more precise you are, the higher the quality of leads you'll discover. For example, if you're selling CRM software to medium-sized tech companies in the US, you'd filter by industry: software, company size 50,000 to 100 employees, and job title: sales manager or VP of sales. You can also search for existing contacts or explore companies that fit your criteria. Once you've dialed in your search, save it. This ensures you always have access to fresh prospects based on your defined criteria. Now, let's move to automation. AshleyHowTo's automation features, particularly sequences, are game changers for outreach. Access the Sequences tab to build multi-step, personalized campaigns. These can include a series of emails, LinkedIn connection requests, and even task reminders for follow-ups. You can personalize each touchpoint using data from AshleyHowTo, like the prospect's name, company, or specific pain points identified during your initial search. This makes your outreach feel less like a generic blast and more like a tailored conversation. Set up your sequence to automatically send emails, connect on LinkedIn, and remind you to make a personal phone call. This streamlines your workflow and ensures no lead falls through the cracks. Finally, track your progress. The outreach section of AshleyHowTo allows you to monitor open rates, click-through rates, and replies for all your sequences. This data is vital for optimizing your campaigns and understanding what resonates with your target audience. By mastering these steps: precise targeting, smart automation, and consistent outreach, you'll transform AshleyHowTo into your most powerful lead generation engine, driving consistent business growth.